What is the best time to work out? Hello and welcome back to Healthy Drops. Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. You will find your fitness, energy level, regular exercise, and improvement of physical activity. There are innumerable research studies on the health benefits of daily exercise. All of them have regular exercise, strengthening the fat tissue, constitution, improving the health of the cardiovascular, strengthening the immune system, and improving memory. It has been proven to be. It helps us guide a healthy lifestyle. It can lower the level of load and improve better feeling and sleep. With a healthy body and mind, you will notice an improvement in your self-confidence. According to the Department of Health and Human Services, a healthy person should perform any of the following activities: 150 minutes until 300 minutes of moderate aerobic activity every week, like brisk walking. 75 minutes until 150 minutes of high-intensity aerobic activities every week, such as swimming, hiking, or running. Or they can perform a combination of moderate and high-intensity aerobic activities every week. You can have a healthy body and mind if you work out regularly. However, it is equally important to know what is the best time of day to work out or exercise, and it depends upon various factors. The right time to exercise usually depends on the following factors. The right time depends on your schedule. For example, it is useful to exercise in the morning when you don't have time in the evening. The right time to exercise usually depends on the following factors. The right time depends on your schedule. For example, it may be useful to exercise in the morning when you don't have time to exercise in the evening. The right time for exercise also depends upon your circadian rhythm. For example, if you are an early riser, then you could make time to exercise in the morning. However, you may have to make time for exercise in the evening if you sleep later at night due to personal choice or work. Several studies have linked daytime exercise to better overall fitness, health, and sleep. The metabolism is found to improve with daytime exercise, which speeds up the burning of fat tissues. You are also likely to make healthier choices throughout the day if you start the day healthfully. For example, the possibility of developing a healthy eating habit increases the morning exercise. However, exercising in the morning may cause some difficulties if you wake with swollen or expanded disc or joint stiffness, as they compromise movement. It is more beneficial to exercise in the evening in this scenario. Some people feel more energetic in the evening and enjoys exercising in the evening. However, the core temperature of the body can remain elevated for longer periods if you exercise in the evening, resulting in a delayed transitions to NREM sleep. Therefore, you have to determine what is the best time to work out based on your schedule and long-term fitness goals. Morning exercise can make you feel more energetic and productive throughout the day. It improves metabolism and energy levels. You begin to lose energy over the hours. After a long day at work, you may not have the energy to move. However, if you need to do extra housework in the evening, you can benefit from afternoon, evening, night exercise. This gives you extra energy. However, sleep quality improves with early morning training as it leads to a smooth transition to a restorative deep sleep phase. There is no definite evidence that working out on an empty stomach is more productive than working out on a partially full stomach or vice versa. Therefore, you have to find out what works best for you. If you feel heavy when your stomach is partially full, then it may be better to work out on an empty stomach. However, you have to work out on a partially full stomach if you need fuel for your exercise. If you have a health condition, consult your doctor before beginning a workout routine. Your actions have an impact on how you think. You will feel a sense of accomplishment if you start the day with exercise. This will make you feel better. However, you may need some additional energy at the end of the day if you have a stressful job. In this scenario, exercising at a later time in the day will lower your stress level while improving the level of energy. The core temperature of the body is higher in the early morning. Hence, many research studies have shown that people do anaerobic activities such as weightlifting or calisthenics better in the afternoon or evening. However, there is no need to change the routine if your body is accustomed to working out in the morning, as you can modify the body's performance ability through routine exercise at a particular time of the day. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing videos from us.